don't judge yourself. Promise I'm not here to burden you, I'm here to help. No, for real. If you're looking for someone to change your life, I can be the one who can change your life. If you're looking for someone who can change.
Mine. What? I'm doing a YouTube video. Alright, y'all. So, I just went and got me a new fridge for school because mine went out in May, like the last 2 weeks of school. So, this is going to be my unboxing video. My first unboxing video. Alright, so here it is. And it is the Hisense refrigerator. I've never heard of that brand before, honestly. It's perfect for my dorm room. On the box, it says glass shelves, 2 of them, and it's easy to clean glass shelves. Beverage rack conveniently holds a 2-liter bottle and up to 5 cans. Full with chiller, temporary storage of frozen pieces and other items. Reversible door. Use reversible door provides more installation options. What Madison? Alright. I will show you all the box. And I'm finna do that now. As you can see, I already done opened the box. And here it is. And I'm going to remove the refrigerator on out of it so I can show y'all the refrigerator. This is all that came in the box. This trash. It was packaged good. I think if I had to have it shipped on the truck, it would have been okay. So, this is the back of the refrigerator. And I hope y'all don't see me because I'm not having any pants on. But I'm trying to see, like, what is all this? Honestly. What is this? I don't know what all this is, but I'm sure this have to be removed before I turn the refrigerator on, because this is like it'll get hot and stuff like that. So this is the cord. It has 3 little things to go into the wall. Alright, let's go to the front. It has tape on here, so I have to remove the tape. Alright. Now, let's get ready to open the refrigerator. I am so nervous. This refrigerator, let me stand up. This refrigerator is actually taller than my last one. And I liked it. I really wanted a refrigerator that had 2 doors on it. One for the freezer and one for the, you know, just the cool part. But I wanted to order one, but this was in Walmart for a good ass price. So, you know, I'm not even gonna act like that. That don't refrigerator. I'm just gonna get what I can get or what I got to get and go on about my business. But here's the inside. Uh-oh, shit, I'm dropping. Here's the inside. And so I guess I'm just gonna have to start paying attention to what the fuck I'm doing, because I wanted to do an unboxing video. And it's like every time I want to do something, something don't go right. Something do not go right. I'm going to show you all the inside of my Hisense refrigerator. Here's the inside of my refrigerator. And it's like, it got tape right here anyways. I'm going to have to get some tape. I'm not finna try to sit here and pry that tape off this fucking refrigerator. So, but this compartment is for canned beverages. Or I could even put a little bottle back there, you know. But we ain't going to tell nobody that. So, I can put food in here or whatever. This is a nice new refrigerator. I got glass shelves, so I got to be careful with how I handle my little refrigerator. This refrigerator, I like this refrigerator. This is the freezer part. And it has tape, like, oh my gosh, y'all. It got tape out in the mud. It gonna make sure, they gonna make sure don't shit fall out of here. But that's good though, you know. Hisense, I fuck with y'all. Period. Cause if I get some, my shit towed up and I done paid, I'm gonna be pissed off. So I fuck with them for this. But anyways, the reason for me putting that tape off here is to see what is this. I really want to know what this is. Cause it's up here, but like, what is it for? If you know what this is for, please let me know. Cause I don't know what is it for. I mean, it don't slide right out. It's like stuck right here. But if you know what this is for, let me know. Got the temp control. It goes from 1 to 6. It has this little energy guide. And this package, you're gonna open it with all on here. But I will say that it has a manual defrost, no freezer, no through the door ice. I don't know what they mean by no freezer, because this is obviously a freezer. This is obviously a freezer right here. So. But I guess they mean like no freezer compartment, like separate freezer. I don't know. I don't even know what half of this shit mean on here, so I'm sure I can read it and make sense of it, but I don't feel like it. Just how to use a fucking refrigerator. You don't know how to use a refrigerator? Cleaning, you know how to clean. What do we need screwdrivers for? Reversing the door. Let's say you can reverse the door. I don't get it. Why do we want to reverse the door? We're not reversing the door, period. Energy saving tubes. Do not place more foods in the appliance later on for food first, not stop plus. What's wait food? Okay. Fuck all this. Anyways, I did get a warranty for this. Refrigerator. So my warranty is for like a year. I saved the receipt. This receipt will be with me for a year. Hopefully I can keep it. Hopefully I can keep up with it for about a year. So yeah. This me and my new refrigerator, y'all. This will be a good, thumbnail. So anyways, thank you all for watching. This is my new refrigerator. I think I should go around and show y'all the back of it, because I filmed the other video upside down. That's what I was talking about, something I was going bad if I didn't mention that before. So I'm gonna show y'all. Here's the back of my refrigerator. It has danger, caution, all that on the back of all that good stuff. Down here, I don't know what the fuck this is. I've never seen this before, but I'm sure this comes off, because it looks like if it doesn't, this little part right here will get hot and fuck some shit up. The little socket part has 3 little prongs, so you think you're gonna plug this into anywhere, you can't, because if the wall ain't got 3 prongs, then you're fucked. So this was the end of my little unboxing. My shit got glass shields in this hoe. We fancy. But this is also dangerous, because this glass can easily be broken. But I fuck with this refrigerator though. I do. Thank you all for watching. My refrigerator is the shit. Shout out to Hisense. They did their thing with this refrigerator.
And I can't wait to move into my dorm room and put some good drinks and food in it.
I won't judge, don't judge yourself. Promise I'm not here to burden you, I'm here to help. Now for real. If you're looking for someone